In this video, I will show you how to use QuillBot. So QuillBot is a tool that can help you do a bunch of different things. Here you will see some of its features. It has a paraphraser feature, a grammar checker, a plagiarism checker. You can use the QuillBot flow. It has a summarizer, a citation generator, and a translator. And I will show you exactly how you can use this. So first you will need to create a QuillBot account. You can do this with the link down in the description. So after clicking on that link, you will be taken right here. Now here you have a premium plan, but you can also just use it for free. So click on account in the top right and just gonna create your account right here. Now here you can personalize QuillBot. So first, is English your first language? I'll select yes. Then most of my writing is used for either school or work. I'll select work. Then what is your education level? So just enter your education level or click skip. Now where did you hear about QuillBot? So I'm just going to skip this one. Now here you can use QuillBot where you write. So if you write on Google Docs, for example, then you can use it right there by clicking on add to Chrome right here and then click add to Chrome. So as you can see, QuillBot has great reviews, 4.5 stars with over 600 reviews. So click add extension and now it will be added. So then you will be taken right here where you can start exploring its features. So click explore features. Now here you can see you can highlight text to rewrite. So I will show you also how you can use this in Google Docs, although you can also use it in Word. Now you can fix all errors with one click. You can drag the extension, so you can see you can drag it over. And it has a few more features that I'll show you. So here you just need to agree to the privacy policies, so click yes, I agree, and now you'll be taken right here. Now of course you can use QuillBot inside of the actual website, although I'm going to use it inside of the Google Docs, since that is where I do most of my writing. So here I've just opened up a document, and now here you can see that QuillBot is right here. So now if I start writing something, you can see that it is checking if everything is written correctly. Now here you have some suggestions. So when you click on the suggestions right here, you can see that in this video, it should have a comma right there. So then you can also see the other suggestion by clicking right there. And as you can see, QuillBot should be with a capital B. So now if you just want to approve both of these at once, so you can just click on it and then click on it right here, and then it will be replaced. Now another feature is that you can select this text right here, and then you can click on this little feather. Now you can paraphrase this. So for example, I will demonstrate how to use QuillBot in this video. I will walk you through using QuillBot in this video and a few more things right here. Now you also have fluency, so this makes it more fluent and easier to read. So for example, in this video, I will teach you how to use QuillBot, and then you also have formal right here. If you want to make it more professional, you need to get premium for this, and academic as well. So academic mode expresses text in a more technical and scholarly way. And here you have some more modes, but for this you will need to have the premium plan. So the main thing you can do with the QuillBot free plan, you can paraphrase it and it will correct any spelling errors that you make. So for example, if you forget to put the comma right there and you write it like this, then QuillBot will show up right here in the right tab and says that you possibly made a mistake, and then you can just click right there and then it will be changed. Now if you just write an entire paragraph, then in the right here you will stack up some suggestions if you make a couple of mistakes, and then you can just do them all at once right here, and QuillBot just makes sure that you write everything correctly and completely for free. And you can also use it inside of Word when you click on add to Word right here. So QuillBot really makes sure that you write everything correctly, and it helps you paraphrase large amounts of texts so that you don't plagiarize. Now inside of the QuillBot website you have a couple more features here, such as the summarizer. So here you can put in a paragraph or bullet points or custom, whatever you want, and then you can just summarize that text. So for example, if you got a really long document and you just want to get the main point of that document, then you can use this tool and paste in the text right here and click summarize. Choose how long the summary needs to be, so either from short to long, and then QuillBot will just summarize that text for you. Now you can also do it into bullet points or custom if you want right here. So generate a conclusion, make it academic, or write a title. For this you will need to have premium. If you're wondering how much premium costs, premium is $8.33 per month when you bill annually, and when you bill monthly it's $19.95. And you can see what you get inside of that plan. So you get unlimited words in paraphraser, unlimited custom and 8 predefined modes, full use of the synonym slider, unlimited phrase words, and you also get the plagiarism checker and a couple of more features that are also interesting to check out. So if you do want to upgrade to QuillBot Pro, then you can use the link down in the description option to try premium for 3 days, and if you don't like it after those 3 days, you can get a money back. You have a 100% money back guarantee. Now here you also have QuillBot for Mac OS, so personally I am using Mac, and here you can just install it for free on your Mac, and then no matter where you are typing, QuillBot will show if you made any errors or whatever, so then it will also be inside of Slack or Notes or wherever you are typing something. QuillBot will help you. So if I click install for free right here, then you can just go ahead and install the app by opening up this file, and now it will open up QuillBot. And now what you need to do is just drag QuillBot right here over into your applications. And then once you've done it and you click on your launchpad right here, it should show up right here after some time, as you can see right here, QuillBot. So just install the app onto your MacBook, and then you can actually use it also in apps like Notes and Slack. So now you know how to use QuillBot. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.